This is a video just to make a video. Anyways, today we're going to try to show you the journey of moving from Dr. Carter Vet Grenada to my other job, Dr. Carter Vet, on this small island. I'm not going to release the island name, not going to release the location. If you know, you know. If you don't know, it's okay. But we normally take the 8 a.m. flight, so anytime I get 8 a.m. to work, inter Caribbean. So we're out here. Had to wake up since 5. Get on the airport, it's usually empty. Rastaman with me today. Rastaman. Selector Venom. That is the DJ name, you know, if all you know him. He does work with the vet man before he was Selector Venom, you know. Anyway, so let me see. We're supposed to take a kind of okay size plane to one island, and then a small plane to another island. I think I showed it already once. I'm not sure. I'm going to show it again. The landing does be kind of tricky. So let me hope we get a smooth flight. This might be a short video. I think on the channel I show you my journeys in Canada. I'm trying to make a leatherback turtle video, and I don't have enough content because one time I went to the beach, I get a leatherback nesting. The other time there was no leatherback. Maybe that might be the next video on the channel. I also have a snake video from my friend in Canada, but I might have a few of our local boas in that video as well. There's a couple of concepts in place. Mongoose trapping coming up early June too. So those of you who follow the mongoose trapping series, it's going to be something on that soon. Also a bunch of community outreach. Maybe we do a day in the vet life. Let me know if you want vet life on the road day to see all the crazy things we see in Grenada. Out there, I'm not going to show most of my patients, but let's see. This is a journey to work video. Another one. I do this every 3 months. So let's go. Next time would be the plane. Yeah, that look like some kind of US Air Force. That's not the US Air Force star. Never seen this kind of plane before. Also, it looked like a water plane. Them amphibious plane, wide belly. Things we live to see. US Navy. Yeah. That plane look rough, boy. Traffic cargo seat. Yeah. Seem to be amphibious. Yeah, either parachute or small boat or something. A good thing we waiting here. Well, after a very long wait, we getting to go on the St. Kitts plane. On the St. Kitts plane. I think that's my 3rd time on that St. Kitts plane. So let me see. Yeah. US Warthog. Look at the new, how they call the thing, the window. Anyway, back to the St. Kitts flag. We're going on the St. Kitts plane. Well, made it to the plane. We are a little behind schedule, but it will be okay. Have a nice window seat. Let me see. First come, first serve. Anyways, jeez, I chose the wrong seat, bike. My seat unstable. Next check-in will be in St. Vincent.